Hi there, and welcome back to spreadsheetpoint.com. In this brief video, I will go over how to create a stacked bar chart in Excel and when it is useful. So you'll see here, this is a great example of when a stacked bar chart would be useful. Perhaps you need to show visually some sales results and you need it for a project or a presentation. You'll see the data set I have here has some regions: north, south, east, and west region. And then we have four different products that this company sells. You'll see these are the totals for the number of sales for each of these products in each of these regions. Now, your data may look a little different than this, or it may be set up a little bit differently. But in order to create a stacked bar chart, it's best to have your data situated in this way: your location, or where you're looking to measure, or the place or the thing that you're looking to measure, and then the values, and then each of the items that you're looking to measure, I guess, set up in the columns. Okay. It will make more sense once I create the chart, which I'm about to do now. So all you do is highlight the data set. So I'm going to highlight this here. Excel has a very good feature of predicting what type of chart you will need depending on how your data is set up. So I'm going to select my data, and then I will go to Insert, and then I will go to Charts here. This is Charts. So these are all the charts that are available to me. I'm going to say recommended charts. Let's see if Excel can recognize what I'm trying to do here. You'll see it brings up a bunch of different options here. These are useful. These are clustered columns and some column charts. Here's an interesting one of a map, which probably won't work. But this is the one that I want here. See the stacked bar. A stacked bar chart is used to compare parts of a whole across categories. So the whole is the region and the categories are the different products. Use it to show how segments of a whole change over time. So let's select that one, and boom. It's very, very simple. And then there we go. My stacked bar chart is created. Now you can format these. Let's say I want product A is red. Product B will be blue. Product C is gray, we'll leave. And then product D, let's change that to green. And these are very customizable, these charts. If you right click on it, you can go to Format Chart area. Lots of different options in here for formatting the chart. Let's say I don't want a border and I want it to be no fill. Okay. Actually, let's say I want a fill. Let's make it, just make it gray for now. Okay. So, and here you go. And you can title your chart, of course, depending on what you need to call it. Product sales by region, like that. And then another cool thing about Excel is that if you hover your mouse over each section, it will tell you the value, just like this. So we have the legend down here: product A, B, C, and D. And here's the regions. You can make these bigger. You can make the axes bigger if you'd like. And let's say this is dollar amount instead of items. You go to Format Axis here. You are going to select the number, and then you're going to change that to the currency. And I don't want decimals. Just like that. So assuming that this is dollar value instead of units sold, you can change that quickly as well. Let's try the other one that it suggested to me. So I will highlight the data again. I will insert recommended chart. Let's find that stacked bar chart again. Stacked bar. This time it puts the products as what I'm measuring. You see the difference? And then the regions are here in the bottom. North, south, east, and west is by the color. So if I hover my mouse over this orange, you'll see series is south. Product A, 2000. If I find the same thing over here, south, product A. So south, product A is 2000. Okay. And that's how to create a stacked bar chart in Excel. I hope you found this video useful. For more tips and tricks, please visit spreadsheetpoint.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe.